Open your SolisCloud app on your mobile phone and select your plant to enter. Select Info and you can check the details of your plant. Select the 3 dots on the top right corner and you can modify the plant information. Select Organization Code. Input your installer's organization code, mobile phone email address. Select your installer. Then, the organization code will appear in your plant info. Select Confirm Modification to save the modification. For further help, please contact Solis official after sales service department.